Welcome back to another episode. I'm the professor with a bow tie. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. First, I want to ask your help. Please comment below if the sound is good because as you see I have a new microphone and I would like to know if the sound is the best for you. And I bought it because I have very noisy neighbors. My God. And this microphone has as its characteristic the isolation of the sound from the environment. So, let's begin. Today we will talk about the phrases that you need to know and the words about the Greek Easter. Let's start. The first word you need to know is the word Easter, in Greek Pascha. Pascha. The Holy Week is called in Greek Μεγάλη Εβδομάδα. Μεγάλη Εβδομάδα. Μεγάλη literally means big, not holy, but big. And we put in front of the names of the days of the week this adjective Μεγάλη, big. I will have my video about the names of the days of the week in the description below. So let's start. Μεγάλη Δευτέρα, Holy Monday. Μεγάλη Τρίτη, Holy Tuesday. Μεγάλη Τετάρτη, Holy Wednesday. Μεγάλη Πέμπτη, Holy Thursday. Μεγάλη Παρασκευή, Holy Friday. Μεγάλο Σάββατο, Holy Saturday. Let's repeat. The Holy Week is called Μεγάλη Εβδομάδα, Μεγάλη Δευτέρα, Μεγάλη Τρίτη, Μεγάλη Τετάρτη, Μεγάλη Πέμπτη, Μεγάλη Παρασκευή, Μεγάλο Σάββατο. And the Easter day is called Κυριακή του Πάσχα, Sunday of Easter, Κυριακή του Πάσχα. The Holy Saturday, we have the sequence of resurrection and in Greek is called η ακολουθία της Ανάστασης, sequence of resurrection, ακολουθία της Ανάστασης. Resurrection in Greek is Anastasi. Let's proceed to the Greek wishes. After the completion of the sequence of resurrection, we say Χριστός Ανέστη. The Christ is risen. And the other person should respond Αληθώς Ανέστη. It's true, the Christ is risen. Χριστός Ανέστη and Αληθώς Ανέστη. And the most famous wish for the Pascha is Καλό Πάσχα. Καλό Pascha. In English is called Happy Easter, but we do not say happy, but good. Good Easter. Καλό Πάσχα. Let's proceed to the traditional foods in Pascha. After the sequence of resurrection, we taste the food called Μαγειρίτσα. Μαγειρίτσα. It is made by lamb, liver, rice, and anise. Also, we have the custom to cling the eggs. This is called τσουγκρίζω τα αυγά. Τσουγκρίζω τα αυγά. I cling the eggs. Also, the Easter day, we have kokoretsi. Kokoretsi. It is made by animal entrails wrapped. Yes, it sounds disgusting, but if you taste it, you will change your mind. And then the most famous food for this day is αρνί στη σούβλα. Αρνί στη σούβλα. Lamb on the spit. So that was it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment below about the sound. Thank you very much.